Okay, I'm gonna show you how to replace a Braun toothbrush battery. First of all, we have to open the toothbrush. There's a way to open it by twist the bottom. I use a little piece of metal to twist the bottom. You turn counterclockwise by 45 degrees, and then you can push it out the inner part a little bit. Okay, next thing is you have to look at the two pieces of wire. That is the coil to charge the battery, and you have to remember which wire goes to where. So you have to remove that first. So I'm going to use a soldering iron to remove the piece of wire. Okay. So once it's removed, and you can loosen the bottom part by push the clip, and make sure you have the toothbrush right side up, because the coil, you don't want the coil to come out, so mix up the polarity. Okay, so once you have it out, just place it on the side, because there's a spring and the coil is underneath, and if you take it out, or the coil falls out and you don't remember which part to put it back on. Okay, now you have to take the circuit board out to release the battery. The battery is inside. It's very easy to remove the circuit board, and just be careful here. And on this particular model has a little piece of dial across these two soldering joints, so you have to remember which part goes to where. You have to, so for this one, the black, when you're holding the toothbrush this way, the black goes to this side, to the top side. Okay, so now I have to take the circuit board out to release the battery. Okay, one end is out, as you can see. And I'm going to remove the other end. So the whole circuit board is out. And this is the battery. And okay, there you go. So now the battery is out. The battery used in this particular toothbrush is 2/3 A size, and there's two of them. They are a little bit larger than the AA battery. So I got this replacement right here, and I'm going to cut it open. So I just want to have the outer shell, the plastic. Okay, the plastic is out, and as you can see, this is the old battery. Okay, I'm going to put it aside and use the new one and put it in here. I'm just using the plastic just to protect the new battery, because I had to have a solder joint here to join the two batteries. Okay, and I have to know which one is positive, which is negative. side, and this is the negative side. This is the positive side. On the positive side, I need to trim the tab a little bit because to fit into the hole in the circuit board. Okay, now I'm going to put the battery back into the toothbrush. And I need to line up with the battery. Okay. Now I need to put the circuit board back in, and I'm going to use this thing to hold the toothbrush in place. I'm trying to clear out the solder. Okay. So now I'm going to put this circuit board back in. Okay, now I can put the coil back at the bottom part of the toothbrush back into the toothbrush. To line up is very easy. You wonder where to line it up, right? This is circuit board. When you see the bottom, there's a little notch here, right? That notch will line up with the circuit board. Okay, as you can see, there's this notch here will line up the toothbrush. That's how you put it back in. Okay. So once you put it back in, you can solder the two wires back to the circuit board. Okay, now after I finish soldering the two wires back to the circuit board, and I think I have some charge in the new battery, so I'm going to turn it on and see. There you go. Now it's working. Okay, now you have to and once you push back in, make sure it's all the way in, and now you turn it clockwise to lock it back in place, and there you go.